communication and harmonized communication and sensing. And Dr. Tong Wen of Huawei gave a recent IEEE talk talking about the directions of 6 topics, and AI, network sensing, and space communication are highlighted, and also need to be green and sustainable and trustworthy. So for 5G, we heard about the 3 dimensions, and we are uniquely positioned to provide energy-efficient broadband communication because fiber is of low loss, and we can have a very energy-efficient connectivity. And we can also provide real-time broadband communication for industry applications in particular, and also harmonized sensing and communication, as mentioned earlier. So I will leave this diagram for you to, for us to continue to evolve towards the future. So basically, I try to highlight the potential values of optics and the photonics in this diagram. So we talk about the communication and expanding our technology to cover sensing, computing, display, and with intelligence, cloud and edge computing based intelligence, AI based intelligence, and with underlying fundamental trustworthiness, with reliable communication and secure communication, covering space, ground, and undersea, and energy efficient to have a low carbon emission, which is such an important mission of our mankind. So China, as showed in this White House Climate Summit in April this year, is committing to green development and plans to achieve carbon neutrality by 2060 and peak carbon emissions by 2030. So our optical and the photonic communication society is in a very good position to help our entire global community in that way. So in concluding, we are in an exciting time of optical era, and we can innovating and collaborating together to address the challenges, the fundamental challenges imposed by the channel limit and the slowing down the Moore's law. We need to use multifaceted approaches, from network to components to system to integrated photonics. We also need to have a global cooperation and collaboration to realize the full value of optics and photonics in communication, sensing, computing, display, and more for the common benefit of our global society. With that, I will stop here and thank you all for your attention. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Professor Dr. Liu Xiang from Huawei Hong Kong Research Center. Yeah, this is the end of the morning session. We have a tea break session. So thanks this morning's to enlightening talk by the panel speakers. We'll have a tea break and coffee break together, and do feel free to proceed just outside together with the exhibitors. You can have a coffee break, and we will begin the second part of the plenary session chaired by Professor Dai Daoxi, and we will just follow exactly the conference program. We will start at 10:35. So do come back at 10.